Settle into a comfortable position, keeping your back straight. Let your hands rest easily. Rotate your shoulders in both directions and gently close your eyes. Take a slow breath in through your nose and a gentle breath out. This is your time to put down all the things you've been carrying in your mind, just for the next few moments. Be present in peace. Notice the places your body meets the chair, bed, or floor, and feel the support underneath you. Allow your forehead, jaw, chest, hands and lower body to relax as you go into this deep space of peace. Now, if your mind is busy, that's not a problem. There's no judgment, no right and wrong when it comes to practicing being present and still. Quietly set a gentle intention. Great love leads me into peace and helps me grow my capacity to receive more peace. Great love leads me into peace and helps me grow my capacity to receive more and more peace. No striving, no pressure, just the willingness to practice being still. Receive the simple invitation to be still. Peace is with you, enveloping you and filling you up. Now bring your attention to your breath. Let the following words be gentle, like a quiet prayer. On the inhale, silently say, peace. And on the exhale, silently say, I receive. Take 3 breaths or so. When you inhale, say peace. And when you exhale, silently say, I receive. Peace. I receive. Peace. I receive. Peace. I receive. Peace. I receive. Now gently scan your inner world. What's present today? Any worry or fatigue, grief or pressure? Whatever you find, you don't have to fight it. You can just name it kindly. Worry, tiredness, pressure. And then add softly, great love, you see all of this. Meet me here. Now, peace doesn't always arrive as a big feeling. Sometimes peace is simply the loosening of our grip. Sometimes peace is choosing not to carry tomorrow right now. Let's practice releasing a little bit more. So where do you feel yourself holding on. In the shoulders, relax a little deeper. In the chest, relax deeper still. In the belly, relax. In the head, relax and soften. Inhale, peace. Exhale, I receive. Peace. I receive. Peace. I receive. Peace. I receive. Imagine peace as a warm, steady light in the center of your chest. A soft, beautiful, comforting light. And with each inhale, the light grows slightly brighter. And with each exhale, it spreads slightly wider. And if thoughts and feelings show up, that's completely okay. Capacity grows through gentle, faithful returning. So say quietly to yourself, great love, I open up, expand my heart. Teach my body that it's safe to rest with you. And peace is with you. It's free. You never have to earn or deserve it. Now imagine your thoughts and feelings are like waves on a lake. You're in the waters. And gently speak to them. Peace, be still. And again, peace, be still. And when thoughts return, plans, memories, worries, whatever, you don't have to follow them. Just picture each one of them floating gently away. So you notice it, and then you release it. Because great love is tending to all the waves, soothing and calming them. Peace, I receive. Peace, I receive. Now imagine one ordinary moment from your day. A conversation, an email, a decision. Practice yourself stepping into that space with peace and space. Not controlling anything, just walk in hand with peace and great love. Imagine saying this to yourself. Let my words be few and kind. Let my heart be steady. Great love, guide me in the way of peace. And remember, peace isn't passive. Peace is strength without the strain. And peace is practiced in the small moments. So when you're ready, begin to sense the room and the space around you. Feel the temperature of the air, any feelings of what's on or around or supporting you. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and calmly and full of peace, return to your day.